our letter of the day. Today's letter is the letter G. Can you say G? Awesome. This is an uppercase G. Say uppercase G. And this is a lowercase g. Say lowercase g. Let's practice saying those together. I'm going to mix them up. Ready? Uppercase g, lowercase g. Let's try it again. Lowercase g, uppercase g. One more time. Uppercase g and lowercase g. I love the letter G because it makes two sounds. The first sound that the letter G makes is called hard G. That's the sound G. Can you make that sound with me? G. Watch my mouth as I make that sound. You can hear it and feel it in your throat. G. Your tongue comes up just a little bit and your teeth open in the back. Let's try it one more time. Put your hand on your throat and see if you can feel it. Ready? G. Did you feel the sound? G says G. Great job. Now, the second sound that G makes is called soft G. Soft G makes the sound J. Notice it sounded different, and my mouth looked different too. Watch how I make the soft G sound. My lips kind of pucker, and my teeth come open just a little bit. J. Do it with me. J. You don't feel the J sound in your throat at all. Soft G says J. Great job. Let's look at some things that begin with hard G and soft G. Let's look. The first thing I have is gum. Can you say gum? Great. Gum begins with hard G. The next thing I have is glue. Can you say glue? Glue also begins with the G sound. That's hard G. Now let's look at some things that begin with the soft G sound. I bet you know this animal. This is a giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Giraffe begins with the J sound. That is soft G. Giraffe. And the last thing I have is a gem. Can you say gem? Gem begins with the J sound. J, soft G. Great job. It's time for us to go searching for the letter G. Are you ready to help me search? We're going to read our sentence, and when I get ready to highlight, you'll tell me to stop when you see an uppercase or a lowercase g, and then we'll highlight it. First, let's read our sentence together. Gianna got grape gum at the grocery store. Did you hear some of the G and J sounds? Great. Let's go searching. Remember, when you see a G, tell me to stop. Here's our first word. Gianna. I heard you say stop already. Great job searching, letter heroes. There's an uppercase G at the beginning of the name Gianna. Let's highlight it. Gianna is making the J sound. That was soft G. Let's keep searching. Gianna got. That's right, I heard you say stop. There is the hard G sound. It's a lowercase g this time. Let's highlight it. Keep searching with me. Grape. Good job, letter heroes. We found another one right at the beginning of grape. I'll highlight it. Here's the next word. Gum. Gum also begins with the G sound. Hard G. Let's highlight it. Keep searching with me. At. No G there. The. I didn't hear the G sound or the J sound. Keep searching. Grocery. You're right. You said stop. Right there is a lowercase g. Great job. We'll highlight it. One last word. Store. No G in the word store. Can you help me count how many G's we found in our sentence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found 5 letter G's in our sentence today. Great job, letter heroes. Now it's time for us to practice writing the letter G. The first thing we're going to do is skywrite. Are you ready to skywrite? We'll start with the uppercase G. Put your finger in the sky and trace it with me. Around like a big curve and then a little line in. Try it with me one more time. Put your finger up. Around with a big curve and a little line in. That's the uppercase G. Let's practice writing it together. Do you have something to write on and something to write with? Great. I'm going to start at the top and go around with a big curve up and a little line in. Great job. Let's do another uppercase G. Start at the top. Around with a big curve. Touch that bottom line up and a little line in. Let's do one more. Start at the top. Around with a big curve, up and a little line in. Uppercase G. Nice job. Now it's time to practice writing lowercase g. Notice with the lowercase g, we start in the middle. Let's practice skywriting it. Get your finger ready. Start in the middle. We're going to go around with a little curve, close it up, and then a big line down into the basement and a small curve around. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Start in the middle, small curve around, close it up, big line down into the basement, and a little curve. Nice job. Get ready to write it with me. We'll start in the middle. Around, small curve, close it up. Then we're going to do big line down into the basement with a curve. Lowercase g. Let's do another one. Start on that middle line. Around with a small curve, close it up. Then big line down into the basement with a curve. Nice job. Let's do one last one. Start in the middle. Small curve around, close it up. Then our big line down into the basement with a small curve. Nice job. Today we learned all about uppercase G and lowercase g. Great job, letter heroes.
This program is made possible in part by the Michigan Department of Education, the State of Michigan, and the W.K. Kellogg Foundation. Additional support by and by viewers like you. Thank you.